Welcome back. We are now at step 2 of creating your offer, and you can create a custom checkout banner. You can either use the WarriorPlus default, and you don't need to do anything to do that, or you can create an offer-specific image. In that case, you can upload an image, and that image can be a maximum of 350 by 80 pixels. So you can typically take any image and edit it with the default program on your personal computer, whether you're using a Mac or PC. So what you can do is you can edit your image in any of your photo editing software. You can make more changes to the appearance by changing the background color. And the next field, what you can do is you can turn on a coupon field. What this will do is this will give you the opportunity, once you set up your offer, is to give certain customers the opportunity to use a coupon, and they'll be able to enter that coupon into the field that you create. You'll need to have this toggled on in order to do that. If you are going to be tracking the sales and activity of your product, you can use the external tracking area, and you'll need to toggle this area on. What you'll see is you can use a Facebook pixel, a G tag, or a custom image pixel. If you're not going to be doing any external tracking, you can turn this area off. Now, if you're going to have affiliates promoting your product, you are going to need to turn this area on for your offer. And this section will require some different attention, so we're going to stop the video here and we're going to pick it up, from setting up your affiliate program in your offer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.